2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 16,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!